Dear student, we will discuss the remaining portion of kingdom Protista. We'll start with the slime molds. They are saprophyte, they exhibit wide range of coloration, they lack cell wall and chlorophyll, so there is no photosynthesis over here. Now they are divided into two different types, cellular and acellular. Cellular, the vegetative phase consists of thousands of unicellular amoeboid cells called myxamoeba. The aggregate mass of myxamoeba is called pseudoplasmodium. Acellular type, the vegetative or somatic phase is called plasmodium. It consists of mass of multinucleated protoplasm covered with slime. It lacks a definite shape and possesses pseudopodia. Cellular type, they are present in all humus containing upper part or upper layer of damp soil. And acellular type, they grow in damp places rich in decaying vegetable matter. What is the significance? They contribute to the decomposition of dead vegetation and feed on bacteria, yeast and fungi. Then second is their attractive color are of artistic value. Now we will see zooflagellates, the another you can say division of Protista. Zooflagellates are also called protozoans. Now four different categories are there. First is the flagellated. They have spherical elongated body with a single central nucleus. They are either free living or parasites. Outer covering is pellicle. They are flagellated. Mainly they are parasites, so they cause diseases like Trypanosoma gambiensis. Causes African sleeping sickness. The parasite enters cerebrospinal fluid and causes unconsciousness and lethargy. This is transmitted by CC fly. Leishmania domovani. It causes Kala Azar, which is very common in East Asian countries, and it causes anemia and enlargement of liver and spleen, and this is transmitted by sandfly. The next class is Rhizopoda, which is also called amoeboid. They do not have definite shape and possess pseudopodia, which are called false feet, by which they move and capture the prey. The examples are Amoeba proteus, which is freshwater form, Entamoeba histolytica, which is parasitic protozoans of upper part of large intestine in human, and it causes ambiobiasis. Now next is the, or you can say last is the sporozoan. They are mainly endoparasite and life cycle may include more than one host, like malarial parasite, or we can say Plasmodium malaria. It completes its life cycle in two different hosts. One is female Anopheles mosquito, second is human. Then last is Ciliata, another class is Ciliata. They all are aquatic and have characteristic shape. So if you look at the structure of paramecium, it is slipper shaped, very common, and the whole body is covered by cilia. Then it has got all the organelles which are present in the eukaryote, but here you can see two different nuclei are present. One is macronucleus and micronucleus. Macronucleus, it controls the survival function of the cell, whereas micronucleus carry the genetic material for the reproduction. Contractile vacuoles, two different are present. One is at the anterior end, another one is the posterior end. Then there is no cell wall. Pellicle is surrounding you can say membrane like structure. And over here you can see this is a groove. This is called oral groove, and which extend to gullet. So this portion, if you see, now there is this cytosome structure. You can see this pink cytosome structure, and this is at the base of the gullet, you can say. This is all called cell mouth. So through here the food enters the paramecium and it moves to cytopharynx. Cytopharynx is the tubular structure just below the cytosome, and the food is sealed to vacuum over here. Then food vacuole is generated and the content of food vacuole are digested within the cytoplasm. And if you look at the cytoplasm, it is divided into two different parts, ectoplasm and endoplasm. Endoplasm is actually the dense portion where all the cell organelles are present. Ectoplasm is the less dense portion which is located outerwardly, and it consists of cilia and trichocyst. Then cyclosis, you need to understand what is cyclosis. Is the streaming movement of food vacuole along with the endoplasm is called cyclosis. During cyclosis, food is digested completely. So this is all we have in kingdom Protista. Thank you.